Prepare dumplings with cottage cheese. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. Pour in a glass of water and mix. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add 300 grams of flour. Knead the dough. Cover the dough with a towel for 30 minutes. Prepare the filling. You will need 500 grams of cottage cheese, 100 grams of sugar, vanilla, and 1 egg. Mix everything together. Roll out the dough thinly, cut into squares. Place the cottage cheese filling on the dough and seal the dumplings. Place the dumplings in boiling water. Stir to prevent the dumplings from sticking together. Cook for 5 minutes. Our dumplings are ready. Bon appetit!
Oh, this capricious dog. Try it. It's delicious. Is you okay? See? And you did, won't you?